Man, school is so boring, what should I do? I know, I will pull the fire alarm at school.
Okay class, we will be doing math all day, so, what's 3 plus 7? What's the answer, Molly?
The answer is 10.
Correct.
Also, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes. But be back in 5 minutes.
Okay. Time to pull the fire alarm.
Guys, there is a fire. Get out of the school. I hope Molly is outside and not in the bathroom still. Thank God, Molly, you are outside.
Officer, is there a fire in the school?
No, there is no fire. I think it's a false alarm.
Okay, good. Attention teachers, the fire drill is a false alarm. We will be looking at who pulled the fire alarm. Molly, I should have known. Molly, come to the front office right now. Molly, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes, I pulled the fire alarm.
Oh, Molly, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you are suspended for a month.
Molly, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's IT. You are grounded for life. Go to your room right now.